Right now, inside you, a countdown is happening. It's a rhythm so precise that it dictates the exact moment your cells repair themselves, your brain sharpens, and even when your heart is most at risk. Did you know that there is a statistically deadliest time of the week? Monday morning, specifically around 9 a.m. Global studies show a massive spike in heart attacks during this window. It's not just the stress of the work week, it's a glitch in your internal timing. Your body is shifting gears from sleep to wakefulness, raising your blood pressure and thickening your blood in preparation for the day. If your internal clock is out of sync, this routine transition can become a biological catastrophe. Today, we're going to look at the hidden clock, the silent, invisible rhythms that govern every second of your life. We often think of our organs as workers on a 24/7 factory line, always doing the same job. But your biology is actually run on a strict shift schedule known as the circadian rhythm. Take your lungs, for example. Research shows that your lung function peaks around 4 p.m. This is when your airways are at their most relaxed and your oxygen uptake is highest. It's the biological reason why many Olympic world records are broken in the late afternoon. But as the sun sets, the factory changes staff. At 2 a.m., while you are deep in REM sleep, your liver is in its most active state of detoxification. It's processing toxins and regenerating tissue. If you're awake and eating a late-night snack during this window, you're forcing your liver to stop its cleanup crew duties to handle digestion. Over time, this scheduling conflict is what leads to chronic fatigue and metabolic disease. Your organs aren't failing you, they're just being interrupted. You might think your body temperature is a constant, 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. It's not. Your temperature actually follows a wave-like pattern, fluctuating by about 1 to 2 degrees every single day. And that tiny 1-degree shift is the difference between genius and exhaustion. In the morning, your core temperature rises. This spike acts like a power-on switch for your prefrontal cortex. This is the optimal time to solve complex problems or make high-stakes decisions. But as evening approaches, your body begins to shed heat, cooling down to prepare for sleep. If your temperature stays even half a degree too high, perhaps because your room is too warm or you exercise too late, your brain refuses to trigger the sleep cycle. You aren't bad at sleeping, you're just biologically too hot to shut down. For millions of years, the human body had one master signal, the sun. When the sun went down, our organs knew the workday was over. But modern life has created a permanent noon. The blue light from your phone mimics the frequency of morning sunlight. When you scroll in bed, you're sending a chemical signal to your brain saying, "The sun is rising, start the day." Your brain then cancels the release of melatonin, the repair hormone, and sends your organs back into overtime mode. Your pancreas continues to pump insulin, your heart rate stays elevated, and your metabolic system never gets its 8-hour break. This isn't just tiredness, this is metabolic burnout. By tricking your eyes, you are literally aging your organs faster than they were designed to go. The good news? You can reset this entire system in less than 5 minutes. It's a technique called the sunlight anchor. To synchronize your hidden clock, you need to view natural outdoor light within the first 30 minutes of waking up. This anchors your rhythm, telling your brain exactly when to start the 16-hour countdown to melatonin production. It's the single most effective way to regulate your mood, your energy, and your metabolism. Your body is a masterpiece of timing. Stop fighting the clock and start living by it. If you found this insight helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the Health Fact Hub. You need to know how your body works to make it work for you.